Hello and welcome back. So I went to go pull up my car charger here and I found that my cable is looking kind of trashed. As you can see, you can actually see the individual wires in there. And the outer jacket's all trashed and everything in a couple places. That one's pretty bad too. That one, the ground's actually broke right off. The neutral is untouched, but the hot is open there. So we're going to replace this whole cable. And we're going to use this one. Now we want to make sure that the wire gauge is the same. Not sure if you can make that out, but it says 18 gauge 3 conductor. And this is also 18 gauge 3 conductor. So we're going to open this up and pull this out and put that one in. Okay, so cable comes in the back, and then neutral goes to the switch in the front, and the hot goes to the transformer here. So I don't have any new crimps for that, so I'm just going to cut the wires here and solder in the new ones. Okay, to get this guy out, we're gonna have to move this plate. Screw in the back. Get that out of the way. Now, take the channel locks. And there's 2 little clips on the inside. Squeeze them together. It should just come right out. Just like that. Before we pull that out, I'm going to cut these wires, leave a fair bit in there. Just like that. So, closer look at it, it's sitting like this. I'm going to put my channel locks on there, squeezed in, and I let it come out. Now this should just open right up, come right off. And this you can throw in the garbage. Now we can get our new cable and put it in there. I get a length worked out there. That looks about good. cables in. Now we can strip this back a little bit and get these wires stripped as well. Okay, I'm gonna strip back about that much. Careful not to go too deep, you might damage the wires inside. Slow and steady does it. There we go. Now I can strip the wires. Turn this a little bit off. There. Okay, so now that these are pretty much cooled, I'm going to put some of this liquid tape on there, just because I don't have any heat shrink that size. This stuff is awesome. Put a good generous coating on there. And it will shrink as it dries. So we'll have to put a couple coats on it. Come back in a few minutes and check it out. Okay, so it's been a few minutes. I just wanted to show you why we put 2 coats on. So that little wire right there is not quite covered completely. So we'll just put 2 coats on. Okay, it's had a chance to dry now, so before I put it together I'm going to plug it in, see if it turns on. Lights on. You can hear the transformer going. Seems to work fine. Awesome. Let's put it back together. Okay. That's how you replace the power cord on your battery charger. Thanks for watching.